Our top focus is West Bengal, where a political face-off continues to be brewing over the RG car horror. Now remember, it has been over a month since the doctors have been sitting on protest, and today something unique happened. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of Bengal, reached the protest site. She made an outreach of sort to the doctors who have been sitting on dharna for a very long time. These are junior doctors and students who have been protesting, demanding justice for the West Bengal victim. And today, Mamata Banerjee reached the protest site, the dharna site at Swasth Bhavan. She tried to interact with the doctors, saying that this is again, coming days after her offer where she said that she is ready to resign. Days after that, Mamata Banerjee tried to placate the doctors, saying that all she wants is justice for the victim. She wants to see the culprit punished. Listen in, first of all, to what Mamata Banerjee told the junior doctors.
আপনারা অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছেন, আর কষ্ট না করে যদি আপনারা কাজে ফিরতে চান, আমি আপনাদের প্রতিশ্রুতি দিচ্ছি, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি কথা বলে সহানুভূতির সাথে আমি স্টাডি করব, আমি অফিসারদের সাথে কথা বলবো, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি ভাববো, আমি চিন্তা করব। যদি কেউ দোষী হয় তিনি নিশ্চয়ই শাস্তি পাবেন, এবং আমি চাই তিলোত্তমার বিচার হোক। আমি সিবিআইকে অনুরোধ করব যত তাড়াতাড়ি বিচার হোক, এমনকি 3 মাসের মধ্যে তারা যেন ফাঁসির অর্ডার দেয়।
All right, we have Shreya who's joining us live on the broadcast. Shreya, we heard Mamata Banerjee's appeal to the doctors. Earlier, we had also heard the doctors' voices, the junior doctors as well. What are they saying? Are they satisfied by Mamata Banerjee's outreach of sorts today?
Well, of course, it came as a surprise. Remember, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, without any prior information, dropped by the protest site. It is the day 5 of the junior doctors' dharna outside Swasth Bhavan. Now, we have been speaking to the junior doctors. Right now, there is a GB meeting that is underway. Now, in the general body meeting, they're going to discuss and come to a resolution. If they are willing to meet the state government, we will have to wait for the GB meeting to end and see whether or not the doctors are willing to meet the Chief Minister and sit in a discussion, because remember, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee clearly gave a message that yes, we want the doctors. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee says that the doctors can go and meet Chief Minister and have a dialogue with her. But what we're initially picking up is that the doctors are saying it is a positive reaction, but late reaction, because remember, this protest has crossed 30 days. They have been continuously on a strike, and this is the first time Mamata Banerjee has dropped by the protest site. Before this also, we saw 3 consecutive failed meeting between the junior doctors and the state government. So of course the doctors say that we appreciate that the Chief Minister has come here, and the Chief Minister necessarily says that I am here as their elder sister to support the protest, to support the movement, and not as a Chief Minister.
And, if possible, I'm not too sure, but do you have any protesters or doctors around you, behind you? Because you also seem to be at a protest site. If you could just, help us understand what they have to say about Mamata Banerjee's appeal, and also take us through the politics which is happening around the same, because far as the BJP is concerned, they are already calling it a photo op.
Well, of course, we see that the opposition is taking on Mamata Banerjee, calling it a photo opportunity. Also, remember, they're pointing out that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee came here, addressed the press, and went away. She did not have an interaction with the doctors. She did not interact. In fact, remember, the doctors were saying that it would be great if Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee can sit here with them at the dharna site and have a dialogue with them. Remember, the doctors, the last meeting could not happen because the doctor did not agree with the state government for the meeting, because live telecasting was not allowed. Now, we have been speaking to the protesting doctors here. They're still adamant. They are saying, what's the big deal about doing a live telecasting? Before this also, many programs have been live telecasted, and we want live telecasting for the sake of transparency. We also saw Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee last day countering the claim made by the doctor. She clearly said that the matter is sub judice and there are several protocols that the state has to follow. Now, we have been looking at the sentiment of the doctors. They're still raising slogans, as you can hear in the background. They're still saying that we want
You're right.
justice.
The doctors don't seem to have been placated by this outreach of sorts by Mamata Banerjee.